So 231. What is this?
Prestige.
Prestige.
Prestige Suite Sea View, 115 square meter with 1 bedroom or 2 bedrooms.
So what's the price for Cannes Festival?
We are
Approximately.
around between 8 and 9k euros per night.
And similar for summer, for June,
Yes,
for August.
yes. But for example, for end of July, we sell it 6k euro.
August, close to 10.
August will be a bit higher, will be more like 7k euros. But for example, now end of July, I've just quoted it at 6k euros per night.
So very light, very good.
Yeah.
So only 7,000.
And also you have the connecting rooms for like with the premium sea view room here, so you can make it for 2 bedrooms. And this is a very specific, unique suite. It's a suite des Oliviers. It's also the same configuration as this one. And now we are doing some refurbishment at the moment.
So sit down.
It's the biggest terrace, well, except the penthouse for sure. It's 250 square meter, and we are doing some refurbishment at the moment. So you have a dining area, kitchen area also.
Yacht as well?
Yeah, always the link with the boat and the cinema, Art Deco.
So this, so you have already special.
Yeah.
All
So
good.
up to 150 square meter.